Welcome to Satori Insights. This is Deep Dive number 2, an explanation of the architecture of awareness. Meditation explained for everyone. Meditation is often misunderstood. It is not about stopping your thoughts or making your mind a blank void. It is also not just for monks on a mountain. It is for the architect, the athlete, and the creator. In fact, you might already be practicing it. Have you ever been so lost in painting, writing, or technical drawing that time seemed to disappear? That flow, that total presence in color, line, or craft, that is the foundation. It is the art of being fully present in the architecture of the moment. Tools versus essence, beyond the apps. Many popular apps focus on techniques like body scans or specific breathing patterns. These are excellent tools to quiet the initial noise. They are like the scaffolding used during construction. They help you get started, but they are not the building itself. At Satori Inside, we move beyond the doing. While a body scan can relax you, we are interested in what happens when the scaffolding comes down. We move from temporary techniques to the essence of being. The core, Dzogchen, the great perfection. In the ancient Tibetan tradition of Dzogchen, we call this the great perfection. The principle is simple. Your mind is already perfect, just like the sky. Thoughts, stress, and distractions are merely clouds passing through. Don't need to fight the clouds. You just need to remember you are the sky. This is why meditation improves performance. By training your mind to rest in its natural state, you sharpen your focus and reduce the friction in your daily life. You become the architect of your own focus, allowing you to execute with clarity. How to practice. The Satori session. Here is how you build your own sanctuary of stillness. First, the setup. Find a place where you won't be disturbed. Sit comfortably with your spine straight, like the pillars of a solid building. Second, the breath. You don't need to force it. Just let the breath breathe itself. Third, your eyes. You can close them gently or keep them slightly open, gazing softly at the space in front of you. Fourth, the action. Set a timer and just sit. Thoughts will come about your work, your gadgets, or your tasks. Do not jump into the car with them. Let them drive past. Every time you bring your attention back to the present, you are strengthening the architecture of your soul. The most important thing to remember is that consistency beats duration every single time. You don't need to start with 30 minutes. Begin with just 1 minute. Then, build it up to 3, and eventually 5 or 10. It is far more powerful to sit for 3 minutes every single day than to sit for an hour once a week. Small, frequent moments of awareness throughout your day are the key. It's not about how long you sit. It's about how often you remember to return to the sky. Conclusion. This is the frequency we guard at Satori Inside. No apps, no gadgets, just presence. Start small. Build the foundation. And when you are ready for a deeper immersion, join us this weekend for the 10-hour Sleepcast with the Sentinel. Stop the noise. Find your frequency.